Do you want to create a group chat on Twitter X? You can easily start a group conversation on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create a group chat on your X account, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the new message icon to start a new chat. A new screen will open with different options. Find and tap on Create a Group option. Select multiple people from your contacts or search for the users you want to add. Also enter the name of your group. Once you have selected all participants and enter the name for group, tap Done button. Now you will be taken to the chat screen. You can change your group name, photo, and add more member. You can start typing a message to create the group chat. The group chat will now be created and everyone you selected will be added.